Ensure efficiency and cleanliness in your cooling system's condenser coils with Coil Commando. The expanding foaming action removes oxidation from air conditioning coils while dissolving dirt and grease. Coil Commando works quickly, restoring the look of aluminum by emulsifying deposits that are costly to energy efficiency. This non-acid formula is easy to use and requires no scrubbing or pre-cleaning. Simply dilute according to label directions, apply, allow to sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse. Dirt, grime, diesel smoke, and road scum are no match for Coil Commando. It's perfect for maintaining HVAC units in apartment buildings, hotels, senior living facilities, offices, and more. Whether your facility is preparing for warm weather or just needs a routine cleaning, Coil Commando is the solution to keeping your cooling system running efficiently. Coil Commando, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.